Maryland lawmakers are demanding answers after the $170 million Health Connections website failed. Failure will cost millions more to fix, has the lieutenant governor facing some tough questions. Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell is in Annapolis tonight with more on that story. Brad?
Well, the lieutenant governor is facing the harsh questions because he's the guy who the governor put out front on this. And there were some tough words today, primarily from Republicans, including one senator who looked at the lieutenant governor in the hearing room and said that his handling of the botched handling of the rollout of the Affordable Health Care Act in Maryland is like malpractice. As he tries to limit damage to his campaign for governor, Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown is saying he had every expectation the Maryland Health Connection website would work as planned.
The reports all stated that the launch was achievable, notwithstanding that there were risks involved.
Brown told a House committee today he became aware that the $170 million website was doomed by bad hardware, bad software, and feuding contractors only after the October 1st launch failed.
If I knew 9 months ago what I've learned since the launch, I would have insisted on receiving the underlying documentation.
Brown has touted his leadership in the rollout of the Affordable Health Care Act as a prime reason he's ready to be governor, and his rivals, several of whom attended today's hearing, sense he's vulnerable.
If he truly didn't know what was going on, I think that speaks to his ability to lead.
Brown insists he's focusing on making the system work, and today he pushed for an emergency bill which will give retroactive insurance to those who couldn't sign up on the website and then ran into medical bills. That will cost taxpayers another several $1 million.
Yeah, I think it should be an issue.
Ryan Adams is among about 21,000 Marylanders who have successfully used the Health Connection website. Still, he says, the failures are hard to explain.
Typically tend to think that these things are a top-down thing, so the people at the top should absolutely be held responsible.
Well, the governor and the lieutenant governor announced one other element of the health care fix today. They say they've worked out a deal with the 4 major health insurance providers in the state of Maryland that will also give certain people who were unable to sign up health insurance retroactive to January 1st. In Annapolis, Brad Bell, ABC 7 News.